In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. So that's actually really easy. So you can just head over right here to your actual folder, then locate the file or the Excel file that you want to add. I have in here this Excel file. I can just click on it and then drag it right here whenever I actually want to put it. Another option to do that is to click onto this new option, click onto this file upload, and then this should be able to open a folder. So head over to that part right there and then locate it. So here it is. Just click on it and click on open in order to open it. Now, if you want to make it editable, Excel has a similar application integrated to Google. It's called Google Sheets. So you can just head over and then click onto this particular file. So as you can see, this is an Excel file right here. And if you want to edit it, you can click onto this open with and click onto this Google Sheets option. Now it will actually convert it into a Google Sheet file. So just wait for this to completely load and from in there you can find it. So as you can see, for example, let's try to edit some part. Let's click onto this cell and let's change its value. And as you can see right here, you can actually edit some parts of this particular file. So that's how you upload Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. Hope we helped.